Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to integrate Tradingview with your brokerage account. Alright, we're not going to waste too much time on this. Let's just jump straight into it. Let me show you how it's done. So the first step is to select the brokerage option. So you want to select the brokerage option from the accounts menu, and this will take you to the brokerage integration page where you can connect your brokerage account. The second step is to choose your brokerage firm. So you want to choose your brokerage firm and confirm and follow the integration instructions. Tradingview supports integration with various brokerage firms. Just follow that. And step 3 is to learn how to trade directly. So you want to learn how to trade directly from Tradingview. Integration with your brokerage account allows you to execute trades directly from the platform. And the fourth step is to understand the benefits and risks. So you want to make sure that you understand the benefits and risk of integrating your brokerage account, because integration provides convenience and seamless trading, but also involves risks such as technical issues and probably security breaches. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to integrate Tradingview with your brokerage account. I hope you guys like